Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up your Brother MFC-L2807DW printer step by step, from unboxing to Wi-Fi connection, fax setup, and first print. If you've just purchased this printer and feel confused about installation, don't worry, just follow this guide carefully and your printer will be ready in minutes. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open the box and check all included items. Inside the box, you should find Brother MFC printer, toner cartridge and drum unit assembly, AC power cord, quick setup guide, product safety guide. Remove all protective tapes and plastic film from the printer. Important, before plugging in the power cord, locate the serial number label on the back or side of the printer and write it down. You may need it for registration or warranty support. Step 2. Open the front cover of the printer. Remove the toner and drum unit from the packaging. Remove the orange protective part from the cartridge. Gently insert the toner and drum unit into the printer. Push firmly until it clicks into place. Close the front cover. Make sure it is installed properly. Step 3. Pull out the paper tray completely. Adjust the paper guides according to paper size. Load A4 or letter paper. Make sure you do not exceed the maximum paper mark. Slide the tray back into the printer. Step 4. Connect the AC power cord to the printer. Plug it into a wall outlet. Press the power button to turn the machine on. Wait for the printer to initialize. Step 5. Select language if required. For LCD models like MFC-L2807DW, press Menu, use up or down to select Initial Setup. Select Local Language. Choose your language, press OK. Press Stop or Exit. Step 6. If you plan to use fax, connect the telephone line cord to the line port on the back of the printer. Connect the other end to your wall telephone socket. If you don't use fax, you can skip this step. Step 7. Configure date, time, and station ID. For LCD model, set date and time, press Menu, press 0, 1, 1, enter the date, press OK. Choose 12-hour or 24-hour clock, enter time, press OK. Set station ID, press Menu, press 0, 2, enter your fax number, enter your name, press OK. Your machine is programmed to automatically receive faxes by default. Step 8. Now, let's connect your printer to Wi-Fi. First, find SSID, Wi-Fi network name, network key, Wi-Fi password. You can find this on your router. On printer, press Menu, go to Network, select Wi-Fi, select Find Network, choose your Wi-Fi name, enter Wi-Fi password, press OK. If connected successfully, the display will show connected. Step 9. Now go to setup.brother.com. Download the Brother printer driver. Install the software. Follow on-screen instructions. Complete the installation. After installation, you can now print and scan. Important: change default admin password. On the back of the printer, you will find a label marked PWD. That is the default admin password. For security reasons, it is strongly recommended to change this password immediately to protect your printer from unauthorized access. If you can't connect, troubleshooting. If Wi-Fi setup fails, restart your router, restart your printer, make sure you entered the correct password, keep printer near router, reinstall driver. If still unsuccessful, visit support.brother.com. After setup, open any document, click Print, select Brother MFC-L2807DW. Click Print. Your printer is now fully ready to use and confirmed. That's it! Your Brother MFC-L2807DW printer is now successfully set up and ready to print, scan, and fax. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, subscribe. And if you need any help with printer setup, driver installation, Wi-Fi connection, or troubleshooting, contact us anytime at our support team is always ready to help you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.